everyone. Good morning. You're live for the market trading, seeing opportunities right now. I'm gonna share my screen. For S&P 500, I've already missed my setup, which is when it hits the displacement area. Many sitting with liquidity. Many people questioning their stop losses. If I want to see an opportunity for my setup, I'll wait for more liquidity to be swapped. With the liquidity to be swapped, I'll find my setup after that. I'm paying attention to gold because London already swapped. London already swapped its own previous low Sesh. If the price currently respects this level, price respects that right level, could look for 5 sweeping to the resistance level. I do see more money setting forward. More money waiting to be stripped at the top too. The question is, which is first? If you were on live with me last night, you took this opportunity, you took this setup, you took the analysis I put out there, boom, you'd be in profit with me. Right now, I'm currently not seeing any setup so far. For stocks, I do see an imbalance in the money trading rating, but the direction overall looks like it's bullish. No. Overall, it's bearish, but the buyers have the control of the market, the momentum right now. We don't have any news for Monday. Trump will be speaking later at 3. Overall, it's not really going to impact the market. It's not showing, it's not saying. We're not chasing opportunities. We're not chasing or forcing setup. We're just aligning ourselves with the market and see where's the money that wants to be swept. Because I am seeing a lot of money sitting at the bottom overall. It's potentially going to straight lower for the SP 500. Honestly, just waiting game right now. If you got some opinion, where would you place your trade? I got in a little bit for like a 10 or 15 ticks scalp on gold. Not much. New York opening for a rally. It's not holding the displacement. Gold to potentially London and New York seem to not have any straight to swift for the higher highs. So the overall direction, the money is sitting right there. Right there. And right there. Money is sitting in 3 different levels. So we're gonna see which one to potentially touch. For what I say I'm seeing right now, the liquidity, the money is being made itself. It's making a pool of money right there. There's no clear move for confirmation that's gonna go somewhere. Looking at the race, the rates are finally overall cooling down again. Dollar is getting weaker compared to yesterday. National yesterday was more weaker, but overall the dollar is still getting weaker. Wow, the oil everybody worried about is getting higher. It calmed down because the oil's calmed down. That makes the sharp rally most of the time on assets. We saw it on gold rally after it calms down. Rally after it calms down. Rice, dollar, and oil is finally cooling down, it's getting weaker. So what does that mean? Where's the money is flowing to? If the race so cooling down, dollar gets weaker. Usually they both go together. They're not aligned. So if they are aligned, I will respect a reversal setup more than a continuation. Oil doesn't seem to be escalating as much. Gold is still forming its own liquidity. Since it's still doing that, I would say the market is overall risk off. They're not really chasing risk at all. They're avoiding the risk. Because they're avoiding the risk, they're not really actively moving the market right now. The volatility that was high yesterday calmed down, but it's still high overall. Like I say, I'm seeing some money that's been sitting up there. That whole level. That's close to stop losses, buying and selling. Mainly the selling right now that one. So when the selling gets rigged down there and the buying takes over, it will the money that's been right there. See how it plays out for this week. Tokyo session from last night swept the liquidity. London, however, did not break Tokyo or highs and lows. It didn't break the highs and lows the previous sesh. And when the New York Open is repeating itself again, it's not really going to go anywhere if it's going to keep giving us a choppy pattern. Overall, for opportunity, I want to see a displacement. I want to see a good candlesticks, a good bullish confirmation candlesticks. The money's been swept. Tokyo and time swept has been respected since. Displacement away from that streak respected since. But that level has not been broken since. So, do we have a clear direction of where is it going? No. For stocks, however, yes. I'm seeing the potential. The money is where they need to fill in the imbalance. So, once it finally swept to London's high, it could potentially go in. The gaps and feeling imbalance right there. I just want to see it sweep the London high and hold above it first. I would take the trade if price goes down to this level. After first confirming still holding overall this level for it to keep going up. Unless it's saying, no, we need more gas, then potentially reverse your setup. Like I said, rates, dollar, they don't usually align. So I am expecting a reversal setup if it keeps up like this. If price displays. There's potential for a buy if it holds the level. Potential for a sell. Potential for a sell sweeping a low liquidity. Price is still strongly respecting this level. On the 4-hour high time frame, price is overall weak. It's not giving us a clear direction still. Most traders chase money. If you don't have a setup, if you don't have a structure, if you don't have a rule, you're not in the right place. You're not in the right community. You don't have the right mentor to show you the way, to help you become a successful trader. I'm saying that because you don't have to trade every single day. You don't have to trade everything, everything. You don't. I am seeing the volume spiking. 836. It's up the internal liquidity. New York open for S&P. So far, the price swept its own New York opening, and the price is currently displacing downward. Can potentially target the liquidity right there and right there. See how it plays out. Who got in this trade? Right there. Who got in for the buy? Because that is a trap. If you got in for a buy at the top, thinking it's gonna go up, you became the liquidity, and that's why the market grabbed your money. To trading is you think like small money, but most money is sitting, and where I can grab that balloon. Now I think gold's gonna go anywhere. S&P is giving us a clear price structure, and right now it's displacing through the structures. The reason why I'm not taking the trade still is because the price displaced through the structure a bit, but it broke the entire range completely. I could be still respecting the strength of demand from right there. Wasn't broken that is a confirmation that the direction overall can change. Rates and dollars still low, but the both are pulling up right now. It's still weak. Oil bounces again. If it's gonna get higher, then it would be surprising if to see that go down. Yep. Gold says choppy. The risk is assy. In my experience, if the price compresses like that, it usually swept both sides of the ridge. But it's giving us a movement. Liquidity got swept the London's internal low. Not the London opening low, but the internal liquidity low. It took out the low. Now, where will it go? It's still showing some decent demand, so potentially reject. Let's see. It could do. Yep. Continuation. Volatility increasing. SPF 500. How am I just seeing this? It's going back to the level, and to me, that's mitigation. However, volume spiking with the candlesticks aligning. That's a strength in one direction. I'm gonna wait 2 minutes to see how that closed. Good morning. You ate some breakfast? Good morning. You drank some coffee? I do need my coffee, yeah. We got 50 seconds left. I was up 2 or 3 in the morning trading gold and smashed the profit. So yeah, got a bit of a sleep, but that's fine. I show up and I'm working. New York Sesh trading. We'll get the money after getting a systems executed. Let's follow the rules and not break our own rules. We got our displacement. I want to know if the price is going to respect that displacement or not. So I want to see one more bearish candlestick, then I'm gonna get in for a sell. Liquidity pool 1, 2, 3. No FOMO. No FOMO. Not missing on nothing. Have to wait for the price action to close, otherwise you're trapping yourself with your emotional trading. Emotional trading is never the answer. New York swept London's low. Okay, perfect. New York swept London's low on gold. What's really bothering me is gold, S&P 500 are aligning while the rates and dollars are aligning. Interesting time. War escalating, and the biggest factor of tariffs of what's going on with the geopolitical tensions. I want to confirm if the price, like I said, is going to respect that displacement or not. Where is it needing to sweep? Am I surprised if it's going to keep giving us main reversal setup over and over and over? Because we're having a misalignment phase happening right now with the market. Like I said, whew, we should saw a crash. The race is dropped. The race is dropped. Everything gets more cheaper, letting the economy breathe, and dollar gets more cheaper too. Which means they will, if everything gets cheaper, more money will buy more assets, right? They want more money for themselves. Oil gets cheaper, but it sharply pulls back. Will it escalate again, get higher? I don't know. Trump did say the other day, oil may rise, bill drop pretty fast. After close, getting to a sell. The market finally coming out soon, getting its clear direction of where it wants to go. The volume says the buyers are coming in the market. Okay. I'm gonna double check everything. Okay. That's our move, y'all. You can see it. It would either mean reversal still or like it's just doing and then down. Get more money for itself or we're not seeing that right now. That applies to SP500. I want to see if it's gonna hold this level. If it doesn't, it'll go down. If it holds, potentially go up for a mean reversal. Right there. Because I have joy authority week. The volatility is high, so everything's tightened. Nope. It just hit the range in the volume showing the buyers are coming in strongly. Like I said, misalignment, making a clear confirmation. Price action of the candlestick's behavior says everything about the truth. Yep. Buyers are coming in the stocks. Strong, clean price displacements happening if it actually broke the structure. It's patient game, patient game, patient game. So we're getting our clear move for gold. Gold potentially needs gas. So we're seeing the money that the primary rating be swept. If this level is failing to hold, which it is showing some weakness in that level so far. Okay, I'm getting in for a buy. I'm seeing equal right there. Liquidity that's being be swept. It's my money to always sweep the equal ties. It doesn't have to be perfect. My risk is tight. If it hits, that's okay. Swept the internal liquidity low and went back inside the range. Buyers are in. But it hasn't actually reclaimed the level yet. Boom. Then I got in a little bit too early. Don't be like me. See how it plays out. If it fails, it fails. If it, I manage my risk. If it hits 1-1, break even, and I lose nothing. Rates dropping, dollar dropping, oil dropping a bit. It's actually raging. Volatility getting lower. So far, it's holding. Okay, let's see how it plays out. I'm gonna journal my data and in Telegram community about the trade. If there's more opportunity, I will announce it in the community. If you're tapped in, making money with us. Let's go. Skills makes money for you guys. You should be trading. I'm gonna go live again tomorrow night for an analysis. So I see you guys there. Let's go. Been live for 45 minutes so far. Volatility is calming down, real direction starting to reveal soon. Displacements right there. If it's rejecting same way from there, then it'll go down. I could say the same thing for SP 500. Like I said again, see how it plays out. The buyers are coming in strong, so yeah. I'm gonna say it again. See how it plays out. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Tonight, go live again. Let's go. Make money together.